Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a dolphin. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First draw dolphin mouth like number 3. Now from that 3, draw a up curve. At the end of the up curve, draw V curve for the fin. Now from the bottom of the mouth, draw down curve and V curve for another fin. Now draw the tail for the dolphin by using W curve. Now draw a circle for eyes. Now draw the parallel curves from the dolphin mouth to fin on top and to the bottom. Now draw your sleeping curves for the water. Let's start coloring. Dark blue color. Light blue color. Sky blue color for water. Now draw water drops by using sky blue color. Black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color an umbrella. See you.